So the way you make a custom pouch, there's actually 5 steps in the manufacturing process, and it starts with the PDF print file that you're going to submit to us. It goes through our graphics department to check for all the elements that are involved in that, but eventually what it does is it ends up at our digital press. So it's going to start out getting printed. Your impression is one after the other in a continuous pattern, right? One after another on the web of film, whatever film you're going to choose. In this particular case, we're showing you an example on metallized film, but it's going to print all of them back to back to back. The next step is we're going to move to another machine that is actually going to put the finish on it. So in this case, we've actually showing one that's gloss, but it's going to put gloss or matte over the top of your print. Again, it stays in that pattern in the side by side continuous. Then it's going to go through a couple of interim steps and eventually make it onto a pouch machine. And the pouch machine is going to take this film and through a series of folds and seals and inserts for things like if you need a zipper, if you want a hang hole, the tear notches, and then ultimately these are going to get cut apart at the very, very end, the last step. And then what you end up with is your individual pouches. So in this case, this is a stand-up pouch. That's the end result of the file that you're going to submit, and that's how you make a custom pouch.